Hello everybody, it is Mr. Modern Financials here. Thank you for tuning in to today's video. For those of you who may be a new viewer, I'm going to just give a quick word about what this channel is about. This channel is all about making money in the alternative way. We talk about paid surveys, I do reviews of paid applications on your phone, I talk about marketing, starting your own clothing company, which I will be doing pretty soon. I'll be covering that on the channel, showing my journey with that. I talk about the alternative way to make a good income in the modern age, the alternative way to make a side income, side hustle, anything along those lines. If that does interest you, be sure to subscribe to this channel. We do 100% honest reviews on these applications, and in today's video we're talking about something a little bit different. We're talking about why your Instagram account might be worth some money, potentially some big bucks. Let's get into it. This is a website called Influencer Marketing Hub. They are in no way a sponsor of this video. I've used them for years, and what they do is they give a rough estimate of how much a particular Instagrammer could charge for a sponsored post or a shout out, okay? And if you're wondering what that is, it's basically when a company, whether it's a clothing company, a food company, a app company, whatever, reaches out to an Instagrammer and says, hey, put out a post on us, post this picture and we'll give you some money, all right? And sometimes it's not money, sometimes it's just free stuff, like a clothing company, hey, here's a couple free shirts, post them, whatever. But you could get some free stuff and you could potentially get some money. Now, a lot of people think that you have to be Kim Kardashian to do this. You have to be this big Instagrammer to do this, and you actually don't. There's something called micro influencers, and it is a growing trend in the social media marketing world. And I want to give a quick word about influence. What is influence? Influence is attention. Influence is getting your other people's eyeballs on a product, and that's worth something to companies because some people might buy, usually not all of them, right? If you put out a post, not everyone's gonna buy. If you put out a post and it gets 1,000 likes, right? Even if just 10 of those people buy that product, that's a lot of money for a company. If they're charging, $25 a product, that's decent money, and they could pay you because they're making money on the back end. So what you want to look at is what your account is, what your niche is, and what your account's all about. And that's going to have a huge effect on your earnings potential, okay? If you're a general account, just about you could probably make some money, but it won't be a ton. But if you're specific in a niche, let's say you're in the niche of luxury cars, right? Or rap and hip hop music. Those are big niches that there's a lot of money in. So if you're in the hip hop niche, you're posting stuff about hip hop and rap music, then you could charge rappers, hey, you want to get some free publicity on the channel, or not free publicity, you want to get some publicity on the channel, $10, $20 a post, right? And that's how people make money. I see people doing this all the time, and it doesn't have to be large accounts. It could be smaller accounts with 1,000 or 2,000 followers, sometimes even less. So I'm going to show you one of my accounts I own. This is a cryptocurrency related account. It's called the Naughty Investor, all right? I don't even really use it that much anymore, but I have about 200 followers here. 250 followers, and I have 160 posts, okay amount of likes, right? My engagement rate is really good. Engagement is how many people out of your followers actually like or comment on your post. Now look at my earnings potential for a single post. I could get between $18 to $30. Now I'm going to be clear here. In my experience, this estimate is a little bit high. Usually it's going to be about half of what they say. So instead of 18 to 30, it's going to be $9 to $15. That's my general rule. This website is a little bit too giving when it comes to the earning estimates. And this website doesn't do anything with sponsors. This is just their estimates. It's just estimates. Do not take this as fact. They're just rough estimates. But generally, split these numbers in half, and you could probably get around that for a sponsored post. Now again, what I want to be clear about is it depends a lot on your niche. If you build up an Instagram account related to something specific, like luxury cars, luxury watches, music, whatever, you could charge a lot more. But if this is your personal Instagram account, you probably won't be able to charge nearly as much, but you could definitely still charge some money. I want to be clear about that. If you have 1,000 followers at the minimum, you could definitely charge $15, $20 a post, right? Do a couple of those a week, you're making a couple $100 a month extra. All right, so I want to be clear here. You can make some decent side income with your Instagram account. So what you're going to want to do now is hit that subscribe button. Check out this website, Influencer Marketing Hub. I'll link it down below. You just go here, put in your Instagram username, and they'll give you a rough estimate. You split that estimate in half, and then what do you do from there? Well, there's a lot you could do. You could reach out to companies, contact them, go to their websites. Clothing companies are great. They're always looking to give out free merch, maybe even give up some free money in exchange for some sponsored content. You go to their website, go to the bottom of the page, there'll usually be a contact. You email them, hey, I run an Instagram account with a few thousand followers, I have good engagement, would you be interested in sponsoring a post for $20 or for some free merch or whatever it is? And that is how you hustle. Your Instagram account gets attention. It might be a little bit of attention, it might be a lot of attention, but attention is money in the modern age. That's how our economy runs nowadays. Marketing is all about attention, getting eyes on your product, and that is what it's all about. So if you enjoyed this video, guys, please subscribe to the channel and leave a like on this video. I hope it was helpful to you. Again, these are just rough estimates. It's not 100% accurate, but you definitely, what is 100% accurate is that your Instagram account is worth some money. Thanks so much for watching and have a great day. Inbox Dollars allows you to earn extra money doing paid surveys in your spare time. Use my link below in the description and you will earn a $5 bonus for sign up. Do not miss out and be sure to use my link.